from the makers of Fatass. A Fatass Junior production. Starring Ross as Norman.
Hello, I'm Norman. I was persecuted for my beliefs. I believe in something so sacred, so pure. It all started a week ago when I was walking by my favourite path. Then something shocked me. It was horrible. I ran to my beloved. The bastards, they blew it up. Cockheads. Since then I've been able to join the force. Now we stand united and fight for something so pure that we have
To fight for. Yeah. 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 All of them down, everybody.
Force is a consequence of geometry.
I could start dreaming.